everybody. I would like to present a very simple use case of when Salesforce CPQ specialists want to troubleshoot issues with quotes. What happens is that the quote amount is changing every time, no matter what kind of products we're adding to the quote. It happens just with specific quotes. The amount always sets to a constant amount of 10,000 euros, no matter what the product's pricing is. The support ticket was raised to the admin, and he now needs to troubleshoot it and find a solution quickly. The admin notices that the affected quotes are connected to the accounts where the industry is defined as education. The sales team suspects that there was a seasonal promotion implemented in the previous quarter for the educational institution. But nobody knows exactly what was done, since the previous admin that made the change has since left the company and didn't leave any documentation on what was done. We can use ForeSight to find the root cause of this change in quote price and see the account industry that is affecting this change. From the Panaya portal, click Search and Analyze to perform an analysis. Type the account industry to search for the field. After a short search, we will find out the account industry field that is set on the quote and probably defines the behavior on the amount. When we click Add and Analyze, we are redirected to the 360-degree graph that allows us to see the field and its impact on certain components. First of all, we see that it is a formula field that is combined from the account industry field. It exists on the account and it exists on the quote. We can also see that the account industry quote is used in a number of different CPQ automations. There is a price condition and a price rule, 3 error conditions connected to the product rules, and a lookup query connected to price rule. Now I would like to search specifically for the price rule to see if there is an impact here. So right-click here, then click View Source in the menu. What I see here is that when the filter field equals education, the price rule is applied. We can then dig into the price rule itself, click Add Scope Item, and then we'll be able to find out that the price rule is connected to the price action and the price condition, and the price action, as we can see here, has the settings of target customer account of 10,000 euros. Right now, I understand the impact of the change. We can see the specific quote for the account is set to industry education, so we can go ahead and decide what we want to do. We can go directly to Salesforce and, if needed, deactivate the price rule. Then we can update our business stakeholders on what is needed to assist them in the future with those kinds of requests. This allows us to very clearly see how simple changes impact the whole calculation and how fast ForeSight can be used to trace the issue. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.